Everybody, this is Carl with School Counselor Solutions. Here's the Facebook page where you can find it, School Counselor Solutions. First thing I want to give you today is ready-to-use data templates. The data template I'm going to share with you today is to help you track the time that you're spending with students, what you're doing with that time. So let me just show you how to get to it first of all. The URL will be included on the Facebook page, and you can simply cut and paste that in there, and you'll see right there the explanation of what it is, and we're dealing with the first one right here, Counselor Time and Task Analysis. But once you download it, this is what it looks like. Several years ago, I created this with the help of a student, now a colleague of mine, Ben Brewer. So what you do is you simply put an X in the box in the area, and this is all through the ASCA National Model. So what you can do is, let's say you're doing some classroom lessons at the beginning of the day. You might check it off there. Maybe later on in the day you're dealing with some crisis situations. Then you're doing some indirect student services by consultation or collaboration. Maybe you have some non-school counseling activities that you're involved with. As you can see, what happens as you put in the information, the chart here becomes populated. So let's say I put in some fair share responsibilities. You can see that the chart here changes. So what you have at the end of each day is a counselor time analysis, how much direct student services, indirect student services, program management, non-school tasks, and also we break that up into some of the other specifics within each area. So not only is it direct student services, but it'll tell you it's instruction, group activities, appraisal, so on and so forth. So you simply do that every day. You go into the database every day, into your Excel spreadsheet, and so I'm just going to click some random ones here, and you put them in, and as you do that, the chart becomes populated. As you do that throughout the month on each of the sheets, there's one for each day of the week, or each day of the month, and at the end, what you have is a total. Now at the total, what you have is a combination of the things that you did that month. So you have a counselor time analysis broken into the 4 areas: direct student services, indirect, program management, non-school counseling, and you have this one broken down. This is a great way for you to, for one, to help you know what you're doing. Are you following the ASCA National Model? Are you doing the things that you want to do? Are you spending more time in crisis than you should? Are you spending more time reacting to things as opposed to being proactive? So that's what we have. Again, if you want to create one each month, what I do with it typically is I'll save it and I'll call it Carl September 2017, and then I'll save that and I'll use this template later on. So I always have a template backed up just in case I mess some things up, because this is wide open. You can mess this up. You can delete things. This stuff is for you guys. This is free. This is for school counselors from a fellow school counselor trying to help us with our accountability measures, because you know how difficult it is to be accountable and yet still get everything done that you have to get done in a day. And that is it. I hope you enjoy, and let me know what you think, or if you need other assistance with it. Thank you. Have a great day.